Sahadev and Nakul were the youngest of the Pandavas. They were the twins that Madri gave birth to. Kunti had used the divine mantra given to her by sage Durvasa and gave birth to Yudhishthir, Arjun, and Bhim. Madri used the mantra and she gave birth through Nakul and Sahadev by the blessings of the Ashwini Kumars. The Ashwinis are the gods of Ayurveda, horse riding, and sword fighting. Let us look at each of the twins in depth. Sahadev was blessed with the knowledge of Ayurveda, astrology, and fortune telling. He also became a skilled warrior and specialized in fencing and axe fighting under Dronacharya and Kripacharya. He learnt Niti Shastra from Brihaspati. He is believed to be the reincarnation of Shukra, the guru of Asuras. When the Pandavas were in exile, Sahadev was a cowherd. Sahadev was blessed with the best knowledge of astrology and fortune telling. Some sources also mention that he had eaten the flesh of Pandu, which made him see the future. He was approached by Duryodhan to see the auspicious time for the war, and was also offered a bribe that his and his brother's life shall be spared for the deed. Sahadev refused the offer, but he would tell the time. It is also said that he knew the details of everything and the events of Mahabharata before they happened because of the boon that he had gotten after eating the flesh. He would share this with Krishna, who would console him. He defeated 40 brothers of Kauravas and also killed Shakuni, something he had vowed to do when Draupadi was insulted. After the war, Sahadev played a major role in establishing Yudhishthir as Chakravarti Samrat by defeating many southern kingdoms. He was given the kingdom of southern Madra. Sahadev had Vijaya and Draupadi as his wives. He had Shatrusena as his son from Draupadi and Suhotra from Vijaya. Suhotra becomes the king of southern Madra after Sahadev's death. Nakul was blessed with beauty and was considered the most handsome person during his time. He was a very skilled swordsman. He knew everything about horses and horse breeding. He was an excellent horse rider as well. When the Pandavas were in exile, Nakul disguised himself as a caretaker of horses. Nakul was instrumental in deciding the fate of war as he defeated Shakuni, Dushasan, Karna's sons, and Shakuni's sons. He did not kill Dushasan as Bhim had taken an oath to kill each of 100 brothers who were responsible for the insult of Draupadi in the court. After the war, Nakul was made the king of northern Madra. He had two wives, Draupadi and Karenumati. He had two sons, Shatankika, who was killed in the Kurukshetra war, and Niramitra, who succeeded him in ruling northern Madra. He was the third person to die while Pandavas marched towards heaven with their dog. He did not reach heaven as he was too proud of his beauty and considered himself the most handsome person in the world. Thus, the two twins, Sahadev and Nakul, had so much to contribute and were essential to the victory of Pandavas in the Kurukshetra war. They both played their role perfectly to make their victory possible.